Thanks for stopping by the Colt AR-15 resource. In this video, I'm going to take a look at this new Colt heavy barrel that I purchased. Over the years as a collector, I've always been looking for that next great rifle or some rare or obscure upper receiver assembly. Recently, I've decided to spend some time looking at barrels in more detail. When I buy something for my collection, I always prefer to get something that's still new in the box, new in the bag, or whatever. So recently I found out that Arms Unlimited had gotten some Colt replacement barrels in stock, and I decided to buy one and add it to the collection. So here I thought I'd open it on camera for you guys. It's hard to find stuff like this a lot of times, and so a lot of people don't get a chance to see what something looks like right out of the box. So as you can see here, this has got the Colt label on it. It's in a mil-spec type box with the mil-spec packaging markings. Both ends are secured with a heavy tape. The label specifies that it's a replacement barrel assembly, heavy barrel, 14.5 inch, 5.56 millimeter, and then that is the part number SP Colt uses to designate part of their spare product line, and then 65054. So let's open this box up and see what we got inside. So here's the barrel in the mil-spec barrier bag. There's not really any significant markings on the bag. There's no dates like you see on the military contract bags. So looking at the barrel through the bag, you can see it does not have a muzzle device. It's got the fixed front sight post. There you can see the M203 cutouts. Let me open the bag and we'll take a look at the barrel itself in detail. I'll be right back. So when I cut into a product bag on something like this, I try to only make a hole large enough to pull the item out of the bag, so I'm not tearing the bag up any more than I have to. So looking at the barrel, you can see obviously that it's got M4 cut, or the M203 cuts. You can see here at the front of the barrel, it's got Colt's cage code 13629. Has M and P for magnetic particle tested. It's got 556 NATO 1 and 7. Forge code there on the front sight base is a 6 and a 0. I can't tell what that small emblem is. You move farther back, you see an O here on the outside of the chamber. That means it's got a chrome line bore and chamber. Rotate this up and you see there's an R right there also on the outside of the chamber, and that R indicates that it's a barrel made by Roscoe. Let's look at the other side. Doesn't look like there's really anything to see on this other side other than an additional forge code on the front sight base there. It's A, 0, and a T. You see the yellow quality control mark there that indicates that the gas system is functioning correctly on the barrel. There you can see the up and the directional arrow for the front sight adjustment. There's the index pin. My camera setup for this isn't the best. There's your feed ramps. And there's the muzzle end. As good as you can see it anyway. So anyway, that's it with this Colt replacement heavy barrel. I hope you've found this quick look at it somewhat interesting. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and thanks for stopping by.